director of the production called Ipobese. It's about the spirits that died in 1986, 21st March, massacre in Uitenhage.
Protect the innocent souls, kissed the ashes of ashes, dust to dust.
They were attending the funeral of Uno Pinky, who was an ANC member in KwaNobuhle. They were coming from KwaLanga. And then after they died, they were buried in KwaNobuhle, not KwaLanga, as their hometown.
Anger haunts me every time I lie asleep.
And now those spirits they are trying to process that they want to be resumed, so that they can go back to their family, because at the moment they are far from their families, and their families visit them once a year on the 21st of March. Those spirits are persisting because of the government. South African government now has been changing the names of the town. For example, Pretoria is Tshwane now, not knowing that there are souls that they really need, things that they really need to be changed, instead of the names of the towns or the names of the people. The production, it's all about that. It's not violent, it's not political, but it's just reminding the government that there are people who are lying in KwaNobuhle, a graveyard, who are supposed to be in KwaLanga, a graveyard.